Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MrKnow. In this video we learn how we edit our picture using Adobe Firefly AI. Open any browser on mobile or laptop. Search Firefly Adobe. Click on the first website. Click on Sign In. You can sign with Google, Facebook or Apple ID. Scroll down. Click on Create with Firefly. Click on Upload Image. Choose your image. Now you can edit your image. Add remover on those that you want to change. Here write prompt that you want to add. Select any smartwatch. You can change anything by writing prompt. Write here shoes. Now, select any type of shoes. You can change your hairstyle. You can also add any type of eyeglasses. You can add new things in your picture. Click on three dots, click on Download. Click on Continue.